there, design enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're focusing on one of the most underrated yet essential elements of bedroom decor, the headboard. Gone are the days of plain, uninspired headboards. In 2024, it's all about making a statement and adding personality to your bed. So, grab your throw pillows and get ready to discover the latest headboard designs that will make your bed adorable. 1. Boho Chic Rattan. First up on our list is Boho Chic Rattan. Rattan headboards are having a major moment in 2024, and it's easy to see why. Rattan headboards add a touch of bohemian flair to any bedroom. Whether you opt for a simple geometric design or a more intricate woven pattern, rattan headboards bring warmth and character to your space, creating a cozy oasis that you'll never want to leave. 2. Upholstered Elegance. Next, let's talk about upholstered elegance. Upholstered headboards have long been a favorite among interior designers, and in 2024, they're more stylish than ever. From plush velvet to sumptuous linen, there's an upholstered headboard to suit every taste and decor style. Upholstered headboards add a touch of luxury and sophistication to your bedroom. 3. Statement Woodwork. Now, let's turn our attention to statement woodwork. In 2024, wood headboards are making waves with their bold shapes and eye-catching designs. Whether you opt for reclaimed barn wood, wood headboards add a rustic yet modern touch to your bedroom. From geometric patterns to intricate carvings, these headboards are true works of art that will become the focal point of your space. 4. Minimalist Metal. Last but not least, let's explore minimalist metal headboards. If you're a fan of sleek, contemporary design, then metal headboards are the perfect choice for you. In 2024, minimalist metal headboards are all about clean lines and understated elegance. Metal headboards add a touch of industrial chic to your bedroom, creating a sleek and sophisticated look that's effortlessly cool. And there you have it, folks. Our roundup of the latest headboard designs to make your bed absolutely adorable. So, go ahead, upgrade your bed, and transform your bedroom into a stylish sanctuary that you'll love coming home to. Until next time, happy decorating!